In front of me is Redmi Note 14S, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it, click on this icon under two rectangles, and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three lines at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on the same three dots and operate all of those options however you want to. If you wish to close your app completely, you can hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way to the top. Then let go. If you want to use it in full screen view, you can even hold the same line, just drag it down, and when you see a gray area, let go as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!